Hello. Are you studying the numerical analysis? Do you need a practical course to understand how to program the numerical methods? Do you like to learn how to create numerical codes in Python? So, welcome to the course of Programming the Numerical Methods in Python. In this course, you will learn how to program the numerical methods step by step to create simple and efficient Python codes. You will learn how to construct and manipulate vectors and matrices by using NumPy. You will learn how to plot your results by means of matplotlib. You will learn how to use the advanced SciPy functions of numerical analysis. This course covers the topics of roots of higher degree equations, interpolation and curve fitting, numerical differentiation, numerical integration, systems of linear equations, and ordinary differential equations. And don't worry, no previous experience in Python is required, since all statements and functions will be explained in detail. And you will make progress along more than 11 hours of presentation and coding videos, in addition to about 70 pages of companion articles. Also, I will always be ready to answer your questions through udemy.com. See you.